So I found the waterfall. Well, that's not entirely true. I haven't found it. That implies that I've randomly stumbled across it when in actual fact I didn't knew it was here. But this is what we're doing. We've got some filters on there, getting a nice waterfall candy top type effect as it cascades down there. Show you up there. Oh, there we go. There's a fantail hanging around. I don't know if that seems to be good luck or bad luck. Anyway, there you go. There he is, fantail. We've got some water action happening there, cascading down. We're slowing that down. As it comes down, we were shooting just down there just before. Which is the bag and the gear. It goes through down into Leaf Valley. So there we go, that's us. Make sure you, I'll probably focus on the blog to make sure you check back in a day or so and you can see what the finished result looks like. Enjoy!